Hello, my friends. Betty McKnit here. It's week 3 of Star Blanket September, and I am so happy to see so many beautiful 6-day star blankets being shared on social media and in my groups. One of my members said, "Happy starring" with their post, and I just love that. That's going to be the thing that I say now all the time. Happy starring. If you haven't started your 6-day star blanket yet, don't worry. We have all month long still to complete a 6-day blanket. There's plenty of time. Don't let the name fool you. There's really no hurry when it comes to crochet. If you're like me, you've just completed the setup rounds and you're just starting to move on to the repeating rounds. And you may notice at this point, depending on which pattern you're doing, that there are not a lot of tutorial videos to guide you through the each and every repeat or each and every stitch through the entire blanket. So remember that the patterns are always the best resource for these projects. They contain the most information and they're the most comprehensive. The videos are incomplete and they're meant to help you with the pattern and not replace it. They are not meant to be standalone. You have your freebies. If you're signed up for Star Blanket September, you would have received those freebie stitch and day tracker cards, so you can use those to help you keep track of your stitch counts. And if you haven't received those, be sure to sign up for Star Blanket September and you'll receive emails with all the freebies that we're giving out this month. You might even want to spring for the new 6-day Star Blanket planner that my team and I made up for you to help you track your projects. Really a wonderful resource. We have flipped some of the tutorials to make them easier for left-handed crocheters, so please let me know what you think of those. If you have any questions or need any help with your blankets, you can get all the pattern support you need for the 6-day star blanket in one of our communities. 6-day crochet group is a free group on Facebook. I am in there in that group along with my community, and all the OG 6-day blanketeers are in there and they can help you and answer questions and cheer you on. I have set up the 6-day Star Blanket September home base, which is also a free community on the Mighty Networks platform. You have to open an account on Mighty Networks, but it's free to join Star Blanket September home base. And we're in there talking about our blankets. People are getting help with their 6-day stars, and it's a nice, cozy little space. And of course, there's always the Betty McKnitiverse, which is my paid member community, where we have Zoom calls where you can ask questions live, face to face. And my communities are here to help you crochet the 6-day star blanket of your dreams. This is the perfect time to join the McKnitiverse. I still have that half-price bundle offer. You get all the bonus content, including 9 star blanket patterns that I've given as bonus content this month so far. We have our community Zoom calls and we really have a lot of fun. It's a wonderful community and it's really worth it. Make sure you're sharing your progress with us on social media. Take a photo of your project at the end of every day or crochet session. Some people like to take a photo at the end of every skein of yarn or cake of yarn and track their progress that way. You can post all those progress photos on social media and post them on your own page, your own social media, Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok, and use and tag me. So to tag somebody, use that @ symbol, and then you start typing Betty McKnit, no spaces, and it should come up with a hyperlink where you can click that, and then I'll be notified that you've tagged me in a post. You can also use the hashtag StarBlanketSept, SEPT25. So to do a hashtag, you use the tic-tac-toe sign, and you type that immediately afterward with no spaces. And that also creates a hyperlink that somebody can click on and they'll see all the posts that have used that tag in their posts. They'll all come up. So if you've never tagged or used a hashtag before, be adventurous and try it out. You can also post your photos in the 6-day crochet Facebook group, the Star Blanket September home base, or the McKnitiverse lobby. Remember to do this every day. Do a little drop down of your project, and you can compile those into a video at the end and watch your blanket grow and grow and grow. I really love being tagged in your work, and I enjoy reposting your projects and showing off your beautiful creations to my audience. This year, we have a special way for you to show off your 6-day Star Blanket content through our Star Blanket September contest. You can enter your social media posts for a chance to win a swag gift from me. So the way that you do it is you post your Star Blanket on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts. And then you'll want to go into your account and grab the link for your post. Head over to starblanketseptembercontest.com, and sometimes you might have to wait for this contest to load. I've noticed it's been kind of slow to load sometimes. Click the link for the social media platform where you made your post. So if you're doing a TikTok, click TikTok. If you're doing Instagram, click Instagram. And if you did a YouTube short, click YouTube. And then paste the link for your content into the box that comes up. Enter the relevant information into the form. Everyone is going to want to know what yarn you used, what hook you used, how many skeins, and how long it took you to make your blanket. Be sure to read the contest rules and then enter. And once you enter and your entry shows up, share the link to your entry with your friends and family so they can vote for their favorite. You can come back and vote once every 24 hours. We have 2 live streams this week. There's one tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern Time and another one on Wednesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Time. I've added time and date links to the live stream schedule on my website at starblanketseptember.com. That way, if you're not on Eastern Time, you can go there and find your time zone. You can also sync the events in the Star Blanket September home base or the Betty McKnitiverse with your personal calendar, and then the events will come up in your time zone. And of course, you can always reach out to me or my team, info@bettymcknit.com, with any questions that you have. I look forward to seeing you and your Star Blankets online this week. Happy starring!